Okay, we'll get the first honey.
I got 5 mason jars of honey. Oh, and I have honey wax I would save for creating lip balm,
Yeah, that's just out of one hive. You left the other one alone because them bees are
and I'm just gonna lick them.
aggressive. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
Yes.
Very proud of you. First honey, 2 years now.
My first jar is going to the Mennonite farmer Melvin's place.
Nice.